Water emergencies can happen fast, and knowing how to shut off your water could save you thousands of dollars in damage. Today, we'll show you how to shut off your water, when you might need to do it, and what to do if you can't find your shutoff valve. You may need to shut off your water quickly during situations like a burst or leaking pipe, water heater issues, plumbing repairs, or appliance failures like a dishwasher or washing machine leak. In any of these cases, shutting off your water right away can help prevent major damage to your home. The first step is knowing where your main water shutoff valve is located. Common places to find it include the basement near the front foundation wall, a crawl space near where the water line enters the home, a utility room, or the garage. In some homes, the shutoff valve may be located along an exterior wall or inside a meter box. You're typically looking for either a round, wheel-style valve or a lever-style handle. To shut off the water, if you have a lever-style handle, turn it a quarter turn until it's perpendicular to the pipe. If you have a round wheel-style valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. You should feel or hear the water stop within a few seconds. To confirm the water is off, turn on any faucet in the house. The water should quickly slow to a trickle or stop completely. That lets you know the water supply has been shut off. If you only need to shut off water to a specific fixture, you may not need to turn off water to the entire home. Look for small shutoff valves under sinks, behind toilets, or near the water heater. Turn the small oval or round knobs clockwise until they're tight. Always keep the area around your shutoff valve clean and accessible. You should check your shutoff valve once or twice a year to make sure it still turns. If your valve is stuck, don't force it. Forcing a valve can cause it to break and make the situation worse. If your home uses a curb stop valve at the street, don't attempt to shut it off yourself. These require special tools and should be handled by your water utility company or a licensed plumber. Knowing how to shut off your water is a simple step that can protect your home from serious damage. If you ever need help locating your shutoff valve or dealing with a plumbing emergency, the Magic Team is here to help.